Welcome back to the channel. This is part of a series where we're testing frontier models such as GPT-5, Grok 4, Gemini Pro 2.5, and their ability to code up games. In our first video, we showed Tetris. In this one, we are going over Block Blast. In a similar fashion as in last video, we have used Gemini in order to expand upon what the game Block Blast is about. This gives us a rich prompt. We plan on doing this for many games as is shown on this GitHub page. If we go inside Block Blast, you can see the prompt that we have utilized for illustration purposes. Are taking this prompt and put it into Grok 4. Grok 4 thinks for a while and then it is starting to generate this Python code. Once the Python code is generated, and we can copy it and put it into our development environment. It was important to describe in our prompt that we will be using PyCharm Community Edition, how we will start the code, that we want the library Pygame to be utilized. This increases the probability that we will just be able to take the code that was generated, copy it into our development environment, and hopefully everything is going to work fine. In this case, we do see an error. We want to give Grok 4 a second chance. So we copy the error message and paste it into Grok, and it's going to make sense of the error and fix the Python code. The video is sped up. When it shows how much it has taught, that's the amount of time it is thinking before starting to generate the answer. And the generation also takes additional time, which could take several more minutes. After it is done, we take the Python file, put it in, and hit the play button. We can see that the code is now up and running. There are no error messages. We see a graphical user interface, but unfortunately, it is not letting us move some of the objects, and objects that we are able to move. It was not clear why we could not place them and where the actual placement occurs. So definitely an error. Compare this with GPT-5, which was also given the exact same prompt that Grok 4 was given. We are getting this with zero shot. There were no errors, and you can see that the interface, the GUI, is much cleaner. There is like a green background showing us exactly where the object is going to be placed. We have no issues in picking up the objects that are available to us to pick up. And after running for over 5 minutes, there are no issues. Everything is working as is expected. So again, GPT-5 has produced a good working version. This is just showing that once there is no space where to put objects, the game does properly end. Finally, we're looking at the version that Gemini Pro 2.5 has produced. Gemini Pro is consistently the fastest at generating the Python code, but being the fastest is not being the best, as we can tell by the disappearing objects here. Finally, we wanted to show that all of the code that is being generated in this way is being pushed into GitHub. GitHub contains the original prompt and the code that was generated by each of the models, as well as comments as far as what model performed the best. If there is a game that you want us to test in this way, please leave it in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.